So we're gonna be doing long-lasting twists, not that hard, very simple. All right, so here's my hair. It's pretty long. Let's get started. Fuck. Oh yeah. So you got your strands of hair. This is what you're gonna twist, right? You're gonna split them like you normally do, as even as possible. All right, and you're gonna twist. And as you know, you're gonna wanna twist kind of tight at the root. You wanna twist kind of tight at the root. All right, here's your thing. Once you've done that 3 times, 2 times, however many times you do it, you're gonna wanna keep twisting really, really tight in the same spot. So what I do, I normally twist and pull apart every single twist. But if you wanna make it really, really tight, keep twisting in that same exact spot that you just twisted and let the twist make your hands go down. Don't move your hands down. Don't move your hands down. Let the twist, your hair, make your hands go down. So keep twisting in that same spot. I have so much oil in my hair right now, so it's like kind of greasy. That is a long-lasting twist. This should last you probably for like a month if you did it real tight, real right, and keep it wrapped up and try not to get it wet too much. Me, when I get my hair wet, it gets tighter, which is really cool. So I'm pretty sure it's the same for y'all, depending on y'all's hair type. It's all right. So that's pretty much it. If you want it really tight, long-lasting, then twist in the same spot, in the same twist. Keep twisting, twisting, twisting. Your hand should be going down like this. Like that. I don't know why I made the sound effect, but we'll see. But I don't know. I think it's a lot. All right. Peace.